Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Stephanie. Y'all, excuse the way I look. We had a big old snowstorm last night, Thursday night into Friday morning. I'd say about 8 inches of snow for us. So I spent the morning cleaning out around the farm and running some errands. And one of those errands was going to the post office. Yes, Ice Cream Beauty's here. I'm so excited, you guys. So here we go. Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm excited. So I ran to the grocery store and did all kinds of stuff. All I got on, you guys, is a tinted moisturizing sunscreen, my Dermatology that I use all the time. So I didn't even put a lippy on. I'm thinking we'll see what we get in the box, right? Okay, here's what it looks like. March. Whoop, dropped one of these little packing peanuts. All right, so March says the theme is Lucky to Have You. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 amazing items in here. This is what it looks like. Let's just get into everything. I'm going to move all these little packing peanuts out of the way. Right away, I see there is a palette. I'm going to just leave that for last. Okay, so first thing I see is Bella Pierre Cosmetics Liquid Gold Platinum. And this is what it looks like. Let's see what it says. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, $25. This is already the price of the box. So several of you have expressed you wanted a liquid highlighter without a dropper for easier application. We've heard you. This highlighter can be applied straight onto a brush and then applied to your face for easier application. Despite its name, this highlighter is not gold inside. So obviously this is on the theme of St. Patrick's and finding a pot of gold and all that good stuff. So let's just take a look at this. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, and it's already coming out. Okay, well, let's take a look. It Googled and boogered right out of this. So let's see what it looks like. It's very gold. On my finger, let's swatch it. Oh, it is pretty. Of course it is. I did it right here, right down here. So we'll shift around a little bit. Still on my finger. That's pretty. That will be easy to use. It's a very pretty highlighter. But Bella Pierre always makes really nice stuff. I hope you guys can see it. I have moved around a little bit, changed up my lighting. I'm still using my Monster ring light. I warmed it up a little bit and increased the intensity. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but so this is very nice. That's a nice looking highlighter. I like that a lot. And it is easier to apply. Not a huge fan of powders, but they have their place. Okay, we've got another item here. This is from Queen. It's Qven. And is there anything that it says particularly on it? Bow Down, I believe, is a shade. Let's see what they say this is. Bow Down Brow Gel by Queen Studios, $16. This easy-to-use, non-sticky, flake-resistant, super long-lasting, transparent formula stays in place for 16+ hours and has a natural finish that works on any brow color. Armed with a baby spoolie applicator, Bow Down Brow Glue helps you sweep and shape your brows to perfection. Okay, let's look. It's tiny, whatever it is. It's very cute and little. That's it. I'll take a look. There it is. Looks very, very, very transparent. I'm not going to swatch it or anything. I don't know that I need this. I have a lot of different like brow gels and things, and I don't use a ton of it. So this will probably just get set aside for a giveaway. Okay, what little gem is this? This is Makeup Base. Okay. It's tiny. So it's a little reflective. Base, well, okay. We'll just show you guys. It's this itty bitty little thing here. Makeup Base Eyeshadow Primer by Bella Pierre. $19 for this. I don't know that I'd spend $19 in a store or online for something like this. It says, eyeshadow primer will take your eyeshadow game to the next level. Get even more pigment from any shadow you use over this eyeshadow base and make it last even longer. It also can help transform some shimmery loose powders from shimmery to matte when mixed together. So that's interesting. Let's see if it's got a safety cover. Oh, it doesn't. So it's not a powder. It is like a, well, a cream. And it's sweating a little, which is not all that unnormal for cream-based things. I'm not going to swatch it, you guys. I don't know that I would use this. And I don't think I would pay that kind of money for something this tiny. You guys, I would have a hard time with like my fingernails and stuff getting into something this tiny without making, like, digging them under my fingernails. That would drive me nuts. I think the best way to apply this would be definitely using a brush. So, but I don't think I would. Honestly, I don't know. I guess I like some of the ones that squeeze out of the tubes better, but I'm sure it's a very nice product. Okay, then we have matte lip gloss collection from Kevin and Coco. This is it. I thought I smelled something for a minute there. I thought it had a scent to it. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Well, it is. I did smell something. It says it's watermelon. Watermelon scented matte lipstick set by K&C Beauty, $28. A little bit of green for luck. While we didn't include any green lipsticks in the box, we are still giving you some fun colors to try with this lipstick set. These dry down matte, and we recommend chapstick or lip balm be applied first if you tend to have dry lips. So these are obviously have a very mattifying effect, and it does say that they're a matte lip gloss set. Okay, these are made in China. It's a little hard to read. I do see the Leaping Bunny on them. It's white text on this kind of lime green box, so it's quite hard to read, especially with the reflection. That's very nice. Some good stuff. And then the last thing is, and you guys, this is a very controversial palette. St. Angel's Sinners Cosmetics. I believe, if I remember, honestly, I'm not going to talk about that, but $48. Saints, Angels, and Sinners, an Ice Cream Beauty Yummy palette. If this is the one everybody was talking about on social, it's cute. I mean, it's cute. It's very colorful. It's got a mirror. Oh, and there's some pretty colors. Very pretty colors. Got a shade saver, and it does, look at it's already got a little bit of shadow on it. And that is because there's a ton of shimmery glitters on the top. It's very pretty. There it is. All right, where did I go with that? So there, that one of those very sparkly shimmers or glitters got on the shade saver, but it does have a mirror. Let's see what they have to say about this. $48. Seems very pricey for this. 12 pans. Okay, so interesting. There's ingredients on here. There's nothing on this that actually say where it's made. Now that I'm going down that road, we're going to go ahead and look at the palette itself. These are supposed to always have where they're made. Everything is supposed to have where it's made. And no, there's no information on where this is made. It, again, on the back of this is just the ingredients. It's basically the exact same thing as the sleeve. So that's really interesting. I always thought that that was like a requirement. So very interesting. Let's see what it says. Our first ever collab palette with our friends at Saints, Angels, Sinners. This palette contains 4 multi-chrome shadows in the top row. Contains 4 beautiful, highly pigmented shimmer shades and 4 matte shades that are buildable, but are mainly designed for easy blending. This is an Ice Cream Beauty exclusive. $48 is what they're claiming that one to be. So, what do you guys think? Leave some comments down below. $48 for that, and it did come in a little, you know, bubble wrap for some safety here. And I like the shades. This liquid gold platinum highlighter seems very nice. No scent to it. I kept rubbing it. I probably kind of took some of the shimmer away from it, but you almost, like, looking at it here with the reflection, I almost can't see the reflection anymore. So, but when I look at it like head on, I get a little shimmer. It's definitely not like crazy, but it has a very nice, I like it because it's not like crazy. Then this is the Queen, and this is the brow gel, which I don't think I will use. It's $16. The Bella Pierre was, where'd it go? $25. This is cute. Honestly, I probably should try it. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. This is a Bella Pure makeup base. Well, it's eyeshadow primer, really, and it's $19, and it's a cream. My problem is I would be a little worried with all the loose skin that I have and all the creasing I have. I would be really worried that would end up creasing on my eyelids, and just kind of the same worry as I do with any kind of like liquid eyeshadow. I just don't use them because all this creasing in here, like in hooding and creasing and stuff, just makes things flake and crease and just come off. So, and then these are a bunch of lip glosses. And it's $28 for this set. It says they're watermelon scented, so that's very nice as well. So, you know, pretty good box, I would say. So always makeup. I always like that it's always makeup. I really appreciate that. So what do you guys think? I mean, if we quick add up the value in this, 25, 50, 60, 70, 80, 130 bucks somewhere in there. I mean, that's crazy, and that's just doing bad math, but you always get a palette. You always get a palette in this one. So let me know, you guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. Some of this I got to decide if I'm going to keep or put it in the pile of stuff for giveaway, but yeah, not disappointing. They're doing a good job. 25 bucks a month shipped to you, included. That price includes the shipping to you. And this is how it comes. It always comes in their branded box, U.S. first class mail. And it always has come safely. So, and that's because you're using a box, and I appreciate that. Although BoxyCharms, you guys, comes in the mail, and that sometimes just gets beat up. I haven't really had these beat up too bad. I mean, I guess you could say the corner of this box right here got a little smashed. That's it. So, all right, I appreciate it, you guys, so much. I am still a little bit chilled from being outside. This hand is numb from being outside and it's cold out, so I do need to warm up. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, you guys. And did you get this? And what do you think? I know there's some controversy going on with some of the palette, I believe. So let me know what you think. All right. All right, y'all. Appreciate your time. Have a great one. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.